I can give you time if you really need time, but it sounds like you had the money with you. That's why I'm asking.
Are you asking me?
You're confusing me. You're asking me for time to pay, but you told me you can pay 150 and that's what the fine is. Your name?
Morning, my name is Isaiah Moss.
You're going to plead to impeding traffic, right?
That's correct.
Responsible or not responsible to that?
Responsible.
Plea is accepted, 150. It says you need time to pay. How much do you have today?
How much? You give me how much?
I'm sorry?
I said you give me how much? You said how much I have today, you said?
Yeah.
How much I had like $500 or so?
Well, it says you need time to pay.
Oh.
I thought if you got $500, you can pay it all today, right?
Um,
Total's 150.
150.
You can pay it then.
Yes.
Okay.
And I got something to tell you, Judge. Can you please reduce the fine and give me 30 days to pay because I just got a job, and please.
Wait a second. You just told me you had $500, right?
Um,
Am I missing something here?
no, Judge. No, Judge. This is my first time doing this. This is my first time doing this. Um, can you please
Slow down. Why are you reading? Just talk to me. Just talk.
can you please reduce the fine?
No, I can't do that. If I do that for you, I have to do it for everybody
I
else.
just got a job, and I should be 30 days notice.
Am I missing something? Did you not just tell me you have $500 with you?
No, sir.
You didn't say that?
I did say yes, but this is my first time.
Do you have $500 with you?
That's in my bank account, man. Sir.
Okay. How much do you think you can pay toward this today?
150, 150, Judge.
You're confusing me. You're asking me for time to pay, but you told me you can pay 150 and that's what the fine is.
I'm sorry, Judge. This is my first time doing this, and I was confusing what you asked me. How much do I pay?
Okay. How much money do you have that you can pay toward this today?
Um,
I can give you time if you really need time, but it sounds like you had the money with you. That's why I'm asking.
are you asking me how much money I got in my bank account, Judge? I don't have any money, sir.
All right. Can you pay 50 per week starting next Monday?
Yes, sir.
All right. Pay $50 each week. Beginning beginning August the 10th. That's a week from today.
Sir.
If you don't have the money, it's not a problem. You call the court, you go on Zoom. You have to initiate the call on or before the due date. And I'll be glad to give you an extension, okay?
Yes, sir, Judge.
All right, wish you well. Good luck.
I'm sorry, I understand what you're saying.
That's okay.
I was thinking this is my first time and my parents are not here, so.
Okay, that's all right.
And if you said I gotta pay, like you said, August 10th.
$50 per week, starting next Monday, August the 10th.
Thank you, sir.
Have a great day. Ricardo Perez, 648-945, A and B, your name? So you're going to plead on the no insurance count 2. You're going to plead on count 1, the failure to yield. There was not an accident, right? To that charge of failure to yield on count 1, responsible or not responsible? And as to count 2, no proof of insurance, responsible or not responsible? All right. All right, I'll accept those, please. Do you have the insurance now?
No, I haven't been driving that vehicle.
I cannot drive without insurance. I'm telling you, you'll live to regret that. You get in an accident, the insurance company will pay their insured and they'll come after you for decades. I'm serious about that. 135 on the first charge. $185 on the no insurance. You owe the court $320. Can you pay all of that today? How much can you pay today?
That's the lowest I can pay.
Where do you work at?
Yeah, what do you choose on this? Want to take the points?
Oh, wait a minute. They didn't, you weren't gonna plead to impede fair to yield. You're pleading to impeding, right? Impeding and no proof of insurance. I wondered why they was looking at that. That was my mistake. So on count one, to impeding, responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
Okay, I'm gonna accept that plea. That's 150, and then I'll accept the plea to no insurance. 185. Oof. You're a bus driver and you're driving around without insurance?
I'm not now, but I will.
How much do you have today? Okay, all right. When can you pay the other 100 on the fair to yield? Can you pay that by August 17th?
Next, whatever next Friday is, that's when I get paid, so this, not from
That-
Friday, but next.
That would be the 14th, so you can pay by the 17th.
Yeah.
50 today on 945A, that'll leave you with a balance of 100 you have to pay on August the 17th, and on the no insurance, I can have you pay that in full, that's 185 by August 31, is that good? Yes?
Yes.
If you don't have the money, call the court, or go on Zoom, I'll give you an extension, or you can walk up here on or before the due date, or what have you, and I'll give you an extension, okay?
Do I just go to the?
Right down to the cashier now.
Okay.
Okay? Good luck. All right. Akil Nadavalapil, Shine, 26B 1512. Tiffany King, 260-648-923. Come on up here.
Excuse me, I know your time is precious.
My time isn't that precious. Your name?
Yes, sir, Tiffany Jones King.
So why are you,
Yes, sir, I was really nervous. I paid $75. This is what I really thought I was going to.
wasn't gonna have you pay that till next Monday.
Yes,
You can't do that?
sir, I was facing an eviction and everything.
Okay, listen, relax. Just tell me when you can pay on this. You'll 150.
Can I do 25?
How often? Every week?
Yes, I'll try to do everything.
And can you start paying on the 10th or not?
I'll try to start paying on, I will start paying on the 10th.
All right, it's $25 due each week, beginning August the 10th, okay? And if you need more time, you call the court, we'll go on Zoom, I'll give you an extension, okay?
Please forgive me if I'm being rude in any way. I just thought this was going to be the actual case that I can come contest it. And I took off from my new job. And I thought that I was going to be able to contest it today. And I was seeing the gentleman and I got lost. The directions were horrible. And I took off from my new job, hoping that I don't get in trouble because I just started. And I was going to test it. And they said I have to make another appointment and I can't take off from the new job.
Well, listen, they gave you a break. They had you plead to impeding. He had you going 31 and a 15. That would have been a 3-point violation.
Very grateful. It's just that the car was going the same amount of speed and I thought,
Ma'am, if you want to set the plea aside, I'll set it informal, but I'm gonna let him amend the ticket if he wants. I mean, you can't have the best of both worlds. He wrote you for impeding. It's 0 points. It's not going on your record. He's got you going 16 miles an hour over the speed limit in a 15-mile-per-hour zone.
I just was lost and I was trying to find the gas station. He had to take me to the gas station.
I don't know what you're asking me to do.
With the understanding of what you're saying, I'm honored what you have stated. I'll work this out. It's just a lot, that's all. So very overwhelming.
Why is it overwhelming?
To pay money that I already don't have and trying to catch up with other things.
Ma'am, I can give you more time on this if you want. Do you want me to give you more time? I'll be happy to do that.
And you said as long as I'm able to pay, excuse me.
You don't have to start next week. I can start you later if you want. You want me to start you later?
I'm just gonna try to.
I'll be glad to give you more time, and then if you want, you can pay it early if you feel like it.
I'm grateful. I'm grateful. I'm just frustrated that I got a ticket in the first place, but
Well, you were speeding.
I didn't know. But
You were going 31 miles an hour on at Elizabeth Park. Now listen to me. Listen. 31's way too fast in Elizabeth Park. Just is. There's all kinds of people. There's bikers. There's people walking around. Way too fast.
I didn't even know I was in.
You came out of here on.
In this courtroom, the judge carefully listened to every detail before reaching a decision. The court showed patience, fairness, and respect for both sides, while ensuring that accountability remained at the center of justice. The judge's words reflected the importance of responsibility, self-control, and respect for others. Rather than acting on emotion, the court relied on facts, evidence, and the rule of law. This case serves as a reminder that justice is not only